Hi, beautiful humans. Today is an exciting day because all of the Read with Kylie kits are officially in and ready to go out to 1,000 families in Louisiana. But even if you're finding us from far away, you do not need a fancy kit to be able to get started. If you're here on this site, you have everything you need. And I'm also going to walk you through what I did with my daughter because I did not have a Read with Kylie kit. So I want to just show you what is inside. First is going to be your parent guide that I wrote. So it is printed out and there for you, but if you don't have the printed out version, it's free, downloadable on the website. You can also just read the pages as you go, and it's going to walk you through every single step that you're going to do with your little one and tell you the what and the why behind each thing. You're also going to have really amazing sound cards and high frequency word cards. They're really focused on the true foundational skills your little one needs. But if you don't have those, you can print them for free on my site. Or I actually made my own cards with my daughter, and sometimes it's even more impactful just to make it together. The next thing is going to be decodable readers. So we're gonna start with the Bob books, and these are so awesome. The kids only need to know 4 sounds to be able to read an entire book. I found mine at a Goodwill on the side of the road. They're super common. You can also find them in the library if you don't have a kit. But I also have linked on the site tons of free printable decodables. And once your kids are getting a little more fluent with reading, we have the CVC words with the charge into reading books. These are the cutest, most exciting stories. They have really amazing vocabulary words. I'm obsessed. And we also have the digraph books. So lots of amazing books to dive in and make your reader super confident. And last but not least, no reading lesson is complete without writing. So in my kits, I have LCD tablets to be able to write with, and these are super awesome. The kids love them. They're really fun. They erase super easy. You're never gonna run out of ink or run out of paper. You can always just have it on hand, but I used a dry erase marker and board from the dollar store with my daughter, and you could also just use regular paper pencil. So whether you're using a Read with Kylie kit or you're making your own at home, I am so excited for you to start this reading journey and head on into the course to get started.